फ्रेंड, आप सामने एक नया वीडियोस पॉलिटिक्स चैप्टर 1 लेके आया हूँ। अगर आप ये सब नोट करके याद कर लेंगे तो कंफर्म में एग्जाम में ज़रूर आएगा। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ डेमोक्रेसी? वाई डेमोक्रेसी? व्हाट इज़ डेमोक्रेसी? ए डेमोक्रेसी इज a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Features of democracy: major decision by elected leaders. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in October 1999 in overthrew democratically elected government and became president of the country. In 2002, he held a referendum in the country which was based on a malpractices and fraud, granted him a 5-year extension. After passing law legal framework order which gave the president power to dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Elections were held to the national and provincial assemblies. In this case, in Pakistan has had election, elected representatives have some power, but the final power rests with military officers and General Musharraf himself. So this should not be called a democracy. आइए इसका फीचर देख लेते हैं फर्स्ट। इससे हमें सब क्या जाता है। This gives us the first feature. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people. दूसरा फीचर देखते हैं। Free and fair electoral competition. In China, elections are regularly held after every 5 years for electing the country's parliament, called National People Congress. दूसरा point, before contesting election, a candidate needs the approval of Chinese Communist Party. तीसरा, a government always funded by the Communist Party. Since its independence in 1913, Mexico held election after every 6 years to elect its president. But until 2000, every election was won by a party called PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Opposition party did contest election but never managed to win, as PRI was known to use many dirty tricks to win election. Both the case should not be called a democracy. We can thus add a second feature to our understanding democracy. A democracy must be based on free and fair election where those currently in power have fair chance of losing. One person, one vote, one value. There are many instances of denial of equal right to vote. Until 2015, in Saudi Arabia, women did not have the right to vote. Estonia has made its citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. In Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of an Indian Fijian. That was the third feature of democracy. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote. Each vote must have one value, rules of law and respect for rights. Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in 1980. Since independence, Zimbabwe ruled by ZANU-PF. Its leader Robert Mugabe has been ruling the country. He is popular but also uses unfair practice in election. एक दूसरा देखते हैं। Election have been held regularly and always won by ZANU-PF. Opposition party workers are harassed and their meeting disrupted. Public protests and demonstrations against the governor are declared illegal. Television and radio are controlled by the government and give only the ruling party's version. The government has ignored some court judgment that went against it, has pressurized judges. In this case, government is not democratic, as there is no citizen basic rights, no political opposition, no judiciary. Both these aspects give us the fourth and final feature of democracy. A democratic government rules within the limits set by constitutional laws and citizen rights. Why democracy? Arguments against democracy. Leaders keep changing in a democracy. This leads to instability. Democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. So many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it leads to delays. Elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decision. Democracy leads to corruption of four. It is based on electoral competition. Ordinary people do not know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. अब देखते हैं arguments for democracy. A democratic government is better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Democracy improves the quality of decision making. Democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Democracy is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Broader meaning of democracy. Last हमारा the most common for that democracy takes in our times is that democracy takes us that of a representative. Democracy where majority is allowed to take decision on behalf of all the people. The majority of people rule through their elected representatives. A democratic decision involves a consultation with and consent of all those who are affected by that decision. A democracy is a principle that can be applied to any sphere of life. A democracy can apply to government or a family or any other organization.